How to add multiple photos in Facebook Story. Want to make your Facebook story more engaging by adding multiple photos? It's super easy to create a dynamic and a captivating story that showcases your best moments. Let's dive in. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on Create Story at the top left corner. This will take you to the story creation page. Tap on the camera roll or gallery option to access your photos. To select multiple photos, click on the option of Select Multiple. Then, check in for the photos that you want to upload. Facebook allows you to select up to 10 photos at a time. Once you have selected your photos, you can arrange them in the order you want them to appear. Now I can go ahead and click on Next. Now I can post as separate stories, photo collage, or clip mashup. From here you can select any of the option. I'm gonna select separate stories. After arranging and editing your photos, tap on Preview to see how your story will look. Make sure everything is perfect before sharing it with your friends. When you are ready, tap the Share to Story button. Your story featuring multiple photos will now be visible to your friends and followers for the next 24 hours. And that's it, you have successfully added multiple photos to your Facebook story. It's a great way to share more of your experience in one go. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips. Thanks for watching.